I am in love with a girl. Please write us a small love letter in English. Wow. Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam and I welcome you all to my channel. In today's video, we will talk about ChatGPT. I have 10 questions. I'm going to ask ChatGPT these 10 questions. And I want ChatGPT to answer all these questions for me so that I can share these questions with you and you will understand how to use ChatGPT for your learning. When Google came in the market for the first time, we all became fan of Google because when whatever we type in Google, it used to give us the result. We can search anything and everything. Now it is the age of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI, artificial intelligence.
Bonjour ChatGPT.
How it works? It collects information from the internet. Whatever resources are there in the internet, ChatGPT collects all the information, it refines and gives you the best. It knows what type of information you are looking for. So, I will help you to understand how you can use ChatGPT for your English learning. So before we start, a small request. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Now how to start with ChatGPT? Just go to Google. Let me show you how to log in to ChatGPT. Type google.com and type ChatGPT. Got it? Immediately you get the result. ChatGPT is here. This is the page. This is the interface. This is how you will see when you open ChatGPT. If you are a new user, it will ask you to log in. Okay? Because I have already logged in, so this is the page which I am getting. Now we will ask ChatGPT questions one by one. The first question which I'm going to ask ChatGPT is create a 15-minute daily routine to learn English. Let's see what it says. Yeah, it's coming. Great, so we got it. Starting with the morning routine, 5 minutes. So it says warm up 2 minutes. Okay, start your day by listening to a short English audio clip, such as a podcast or news segment. Okay, focus on your pronunciation and try to understand as much as you can without looking at the transcript. So we got it. Warm up first 2 minutes, then vocabulary flashcard for 2 minutes. Third one, it has given set a goal for 1 minute. Afternoon, what you can do for 5 minutes? Lunch break 2 minutes. While eating lunch, watch a short YouTube video or TED Talks. Wow, fantastic. Good idea. Secondly, quick writing exercise for 2 minutes. Evening, 5 minutes routine, what you can do? Listening practice for 2 minutes. Then speaking practice for 2 minutes. Reflect and review for 1 minute. Done? Finally, when you go to bed, before going to bed for 5 minutes, it has given like reading for 2 minutes. Read a short article, blog post, whatever you like. Bedtime story for 2 minutes. Wow. Then gratitude journal. End your day by writing down a few things you are grateful for in English. Okay, so in this way, you will be able to learn English every day, 15 minutes. ChatGPT has given a daily routine of 15 minutes. It's wonderful. I liked it. Next question I'm going to ask ChatGPT is share 5 easy ways to improve English fluency. Let's see. what ChatGPT says. Great, we got it. Practice speaking regularly. So it says that you have to practice speaking regularly. Number 2, expand your vocabulary. You have to work on your vocabulary. Listen actively. Listen to a variety of English accent, such as those in movies, TV shows, podcasts, etc. Read regularly. Practice speaking with tongue twisters. Also, it has given a bonus point. Join English language group or classes. I always tell you, my dear friends, it is beneficial to join some English class. If you get the opportunity, if you want, you can always enroll for some crash course. 3 months or 6 months course, English learning course. Go to some classes and get the idea how the classes are conducted, what type of materials they give you, what type of teachings they do. You will get an idea like how to improve your English. It is one of the good way to improve your English fluency. The third question which I'm going to ask ChatGPT is how to improve vocabulary. Okay, let's see. Great. If you want to stop, you can just click here saying that stop generating. Okay, I'll just click here. Done. Okay, so how to improve your vocabulary? First of all, read regularly. This is important. Use vocabulary apps or websites. Keep a vocabulary journal. Number 4, contextual learning. Flashcards. See, so many informations it has given. Amazing. Next question I'm going to ask ChatGPT is, I am scared to speak in English in front of others. Tell me 5 ways to overcome this fear. I'm sure you guys face this issue, right? It's a challenge for many of you guys. So let's see how ChatGPT helps us. So it starts here. Practice regularly. ChatGPT says that if you want to improve your English, if you want to overcome your fear, you have to practice regularly. Okay? You can read in details all this. Then prepare and plan. Join a supportive community. Take small steps. Change your mindset by replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Number 5, positive self-talk and visualization. Good. This is a great way. Next question I'm going to ask ChatGPT is, I want to improve my English fluency. Please create a 5 minutes conversation between 2 friends. So my dear friend, conversation is very important. What you will do here, the process, let me tell you. Okay, you will pretend that you are Sarah. Again, you can pretend that you are Mark. If you don't have anyone around you, you alone can do the conversation. Okay, you have to read it loud. How to do this? Let me show you. Sarah, hey Mark, how's it going? Then you can read yourself. Mark, hey Sarah, I'm good. What about you? Then Sarah says, I'm doing well, thanks. Any exciting plans for the weekend? Got it? So the conversation is given. You can read it out loud. What happens here is that you improve your English fluency and you improve the idea. The idea gets generated in your mind that how to talk to people. This is how your thinking will also improve. Next question. Share 10 English words with meaning which we use daily. New words, okay? Not news. New words. Let's see, what are the new words? Great. Well, so many new words. I don't know these words. Ubiquitous. I don't know this. Eloquent. Wow. Pragmatic. See, so many new words. Plus, it has given some meaning also. The meaning of the word. Okay? What is the meaning of juxtapose? Meaning to place or deal with close together for contracting effect. Next question. I want to ask ChatGPT the meaning of fantastic. If you don't know the meaning of any word, you can ask ChatGPT the same thing. Okay? With 5 examples, 5 sentences. Great. So it says that the word fantastic is an adjective that is used to describe something as extraordinary, good, wonderful, or impressive. So the word fantastic means something which is very good, which is amazing, lovely. It has also given some examples how to form sentences. The view from the mountaintop was absolutely fantastic, with breathtaking vistas of the surrounding landscape. Let me ask another question related to interview. How to answer? Tell me something about yourself in 5 lines. This is an important question if you are planning to appear for any interview. Great. So it says that how to answer? I am a dedicated professional with a background in marketing and the passion for creative problem solving. So if you are into a marketing background, you can take this as an example. Also, it gives out of work, I enjoy hiking and photography, which allows me to unwind and stay inspired. So 5 points it has shared how to answer when you get the question, tell me something about yourself. The final question. I'm in love with Tina. Can you please write a small love letter in English? Wow, this is interesting. My dearest Tina, I wanted to take a moment to express the feelings that have been growing inside me. From the moment I met you, my life has been filled with a warmth and joy I never knew before. Great, you can read. You can share the love letter with your girlfriend or boyfriend. Finally, it says, Tina, you are the light of my life, and I can't imagine my future without you. I love you more than words can express, and I look forward to every moment to share together. Amazing. So, my dear friends, this is all I wanted to share with you. Chat GPT. Remember one thing, Chat GPT is something new. The answer may be correct, but it will not be accurate. Okay, so don't blindly depend on Chat GPT. Do your research, do your work at home, and then find your own conclusion. Also, if you get opportunity, always go out, mingle with people, talk to others, because in that way you learn more. When you are exposed to the outer world, you learn more compared when you sit at home alone. It is very important to interact with people if you are serious with your learning. ChatGPT, Google, Internet, ChatGPT, Google, Internet, all these things are helpful when you are alone. However, don't make it a habit of using the internet always for any solution. True solution of life comes when we interact with others, when we talk to people. So, I'm sure you have learned a lot of lesson from this video. If you have any question, you can ask me. Till the next video, thank you so much.